No matter how efficient or lazy you are, we all have days when the motivation and the drive just isn't there. Hitting the snooze seems so much more pleasant. Oh, there's the cat. Bruh, right in the middle of the video. Seems so much more pleasant than a morning workout, and binging Netflix so much more comforting than tidying the house. So I wanted to share some hacks that I use to stay motivated during those times that I know we all experience where you're just really not feeling it. There's a popular trend that I'm sure has been going on for many generations when the months of January, February, and March hit, and that's the infamous summer bod. People all around the world back in the gym, running, aggressively walking, in anticipation for a sexy bod come summertime. And it's funny because it can actually be a very powerful tool for staying motivated. If I use 2021 as an example, we're excited, it's a new year, we're stoked, 2020 is over, and we set goals in hopes of a better future. However, most of us, after a few weeks or months, fall right back into our old ways, and that's usually because the goals are very vague. I want to lose weight, I want to save money, I want to eat healthier, I want to build muscle. However, if you set the goal with the anticipation of the outcome, it can help you stay on track. For example, if I save $5,000-$6,000 by summertime, I'll take a trip. So you're anticipating the trip, motivating you to save the money. I'll eat healthy because I can cheat on the weekends. You're anticipating the weekends. Or I'm gonna have a six-pack by summer. You're anticipating the six-pack. And with that reward, with that anticipation always in mind, it kind of creates this childlike excitement for the carrot on the end of the stick. However, when you get to bite into that carrot, finally, it's actually the most delicious chocolate bar you've ever had. Come on. I can't get it open. I guess it's not time for me to eat it yet. This video is sponsored by Lindor. Jokes. Since starting my YouTube journey, I've connected with some pretty talented creators that I admire, whether it be their work ethic, how they talk to the camera, their cinematography skills, or just their personality. And through building these connections and hearing each other's feedback, it's really inspired me to be better, to improve my content, and to grow as a person. And through doing this, I've also been able to inspire other creators to do the same. It's a super cool feeling, in my opinion, to kind of feed off each other's energy and grow together in a sense. And this can really be applied to any aspect of life. If you're building muscle or losing weight, in many cases, you'll inspire those close to you and those around you to do the same, and then you can feed off that energy. And sometimes even the student outshines the master. It's easy to find people that inspire you. Just try to remember that you're also inspiring others along your journey, and allow that to motivate you to achieve your goals. There are many times when I struggle to start writing when I'm looking at a blank screen. I don't feel very inspired or motivated to do it sometimes, so instead of looking at my screen wanting to pull my hair out, I'll exercise first to shift me into a more positive and energetic state, which can help me start writing. You'll notice when you create healthy habits that they kind of flow into each other. And if you can get your timing and your routine down, it can make it much more easier to accomplish what needs to get done throughout the day. Whether that's creating a workout before you hit the gym or having a morning routine that kickstarts your day, once you start connecting one healthy habit to another, it allows you to flow more efficiently, and it's much more easier to move from task to task. There's a quote pinned near my bedroom door that I read once before on this channel, and it goes, "The greatest level of hell is when you come to the end of your life and you have to look your potential in the eye and say, 'I'm sorry I was afraid,' when the person you became meets the person you could have been if only you had the courage." And it's a constant reminder to step into my fears, to put in the work, and it reminds me of my mortality, which can give me that extra bit of push that I need on the days that I'm not feeling it. And I have other quotes pinned around the house just for a little daily inspiration and kind of that hit of motivation when I need it. Some people find it like really cheesy. I personally love it, but it's definitely something I would recommend give it a try and see how it works for you. Personally, I find one of the most challenging parts of developing myself is building a new habit and kicking an old one. Over time, it gets easier and you can learn to become more self-reliant, which is crucial for keeping that habit long-term. However, in the early stages, it can be so beneficial to have someone keeping you accountable. Back in my home city of Vancouver, I used to love to work out with a homie because I would always push harder because we would motivate each other. We would say things like, "Come on, bro, lightweight." Like, "Don't worry, bro, I eat this weight for breakfast." And we would always check in with each other to make sure we had trained that day and to see if we had made any gains in that month. And that would help motivate each other and have a little bit of friendly competition. So whether it's a healthy diet or exercise or a side hustle, or maybe it's just rolling out of bed in the morning, having someone in your ear keeping you accountable can help bring you to the next level. All right, guys, that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop it a big fat like. Make sure to hit that bell if you're new, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.